Okay, so PATATE250 has asked me to do another pattern. He's not given it a name. I was thinking maybe it could be called 2Zs or 2Zs because that's how the pattern looks. I'm not really sure what he wants to call it. If he wants to call it a different name, I'll just put that in the title for this video. So the algorithm is U, F prime, L prime, U, L2, U prime, L, F prime, R2, D, B2, U prime, R2, D prime, R2, L2, U2 and R2. So as you can see, it kind of looks like we've got a Z on each corner of the cube. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.